welcome to this next video on linear algebra. In the last few videos we were talking about minimal polynomial of a matrix. In this video we'll be talking about minimal polynomial of a linear transformation. So let me write down the definition. Definition is same. Suppose you have a linear transformation T. MT is said to be a minimal polynomial of T is said to be a minimal polynomial of T if it is monic polynomial of least degree with m when you replace this T variable with your transformation equal to 0 transformation. Here this is a 0 transformation, right? So this is the definition for the minimal polynomial of a linear transformation. But further we know that mt equal to 0 if and only if ma is equal to 0, where a is matrix representation of T. Right, so it means that the minimal polynomial of linear transformations, they are equivalent, their study is equivalent to studying the minimal polynomial of the matrix, which the matrix should be a representation of T with respect to some basis of your vector spaces, right? So it means that all the results, therefore all the results which we have studied for minimal polynomial of a matrix are true for minimal polynomial of a linear transformation. Minimal polynomial of a linear transformation. Fine. So what results we have seen? So we have seen that, let me write down those results. So first result was the minimal polynomial of a linear operator divides every polynomial that has T as a root. So mt divides ft whenever f of t equal to 0, where mt is the minimal polynomial of your linear transformation. So in particular, mt divides characteristic polynomial of the linear transformation. So this is your minimal polynomial, right? And this is your characteristic polynomial. So this was the first result. Second result was the characteristic and the minimal polynomial, they have the same irreducible factors. Result 2 is minimal and characteristic polynomials of a linear transformation have same irreducible factors. For the proof, you can see the last 3 or 4 videos, right? And the last result was a scalar lambda is an eigenvalue of a linear operator T if and only if lambda is a root of the minimal polynomial. This result we had proved for matrices, so now it is true for transformations also. So a scalar lambda is an eigenvalue of a linear operator T if and only if lambda is a root of the minimal polynomial. Lambda is a root of the minimal polynomial mt of t. You see, till now we knew that eigenvalues are the roots of the characteristic polynomial, right? Now because we know that characteristic polynomial and minimal polynomial, they have the same irreducible factors, therefore lambda is an eigenvalue of the linear operator T if and only if it is a root of the minimal polynomial, right? So this way you connect the minimal polynomial of a Laplace transformation of a linear transformation with the minimal polynomial of a matrix, and that matrix is the one which is representing your linear transformation. So till now what we have done, we have seen how to find out the minimal polynomials. So in the next video we'll try to find out the minimal polynomials of some special matrices like the diagonal matrices and the triangular matrices. So these are the next topics which we'll be covering in the next few videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please do share and subscribe, and also you can join our channel for paid membership. We have three plans, 59, 89 and 119, right? For this you have these three live sessions in a month, and for this you have three live sessions plus one video of your own choice. You can send us the topic, and we will create a video in a week and we will send you back, or we'll upload on our channel. And plus in this 119 you will have your own PDF notes for a particular playlist. You can go into the join button, you can click the button and you will have detailed information about that, right? And this money, this will not help you, but it will also help us to create this quality mathematics content for everybody, right? So we are creating these videos for free, and we want that everybody should have a quality mathematics education. So whatever you are contributing, it is kind of donation also. It will be, it will help us in scaling up our channel for more videos, and we will try to cover as much as topics as possible. Thank you for your support. Please share this video and keep supporting. Thank you.